Welcome to my channel, Curiosity Chronicles. My name is Minamuttu, and I'm thrilled to have you here on this journey of discovery with me. Let's explore the world together. Join me on my journey of discovery by subscribing. 3D printing is revolutionizing many industries, and the food industry is no exception. 3D food printing involves using a printer to create edible designs using various materials, such as chocolate, dough, and vegetables. With the advancement of 3D printing technology, chefs and food manufacturers can create unique and innovative food designs that would be impossible with traditional cooking methods. Here are some potential uses and benefits of 3D food printing. Customized nutritional content. One of the most promising aspects of 3D food printing is the ability to customize the nutritional content of the food. By using specific ingredients and adjusting the printing process, chefs and food manufacturers can create meals catering to individual consumers' specific dietary needs. Improved food safety. 3D food printing technology offers greater control over the production process, which can lead to improved food safety. The printing process can be automated and controlled to ensure the food is prepared at the correct temperature and for the proper amount of time, reducing the risk of contamination. Enhanced creativity. 3D printing technology allows chefs to easily create intricate and complex designs, allowing them to express their creativity in new and exciting ways. This can lead to various visually stunning and unique dishes that enhance the dining experience. Sustainable food production. 3D printing technology can create sustainable food products like plant-based meat substitutes. By using sustainable materials and reducing waste, 3D printing can play a role in reducing the environmental impact of food production. Improved accessibility. 3D food printing can create foods tailored to the specific needs of individuals with dietary restrictions, such as celiac disease or food allergies. This can improve accessibility to a broader range of foods and enhance the dining experience for those with limited options. Where else across the world do you see 3D printed foods being used? 3D printed foods are being used in various places worldwide for multiple purposes. Some examples: restaurants. Some high-end restaurants in Europe, Asia, and the United States used 3D food printing technology to create intricate and visually stunning dishes. For example, a restaurant in London used a 3D printer to create a dessert shaped like a pine cone. Space missions. NASA, ESA, RSA, CNSA, JAXA, ISRO has been exploring using 3D food printing technology to create food for astronauts on long-duration space missions. The technology could allow astronauts access to nutritious food tailored to their needs. Healthcare. Researchers have been exploring 3D food printing to create specialized diets for people with certain health conditions, such as dysphagia. Education. Some universities and research institutions have been using 3D food printing as a tool to teach students about food science and culinary arts. Who are the top 3D food printer manufacturers? Several companies are manufacturing 3D food printers. Here are three of the top manufacturers. Natural Machines. This Spanish company produces the Foodini 3D printer, which uses fresh ingredients to create a variety of foods, such as pizzas, cookies, and pasta. 3D Systems. This American company produces the Chef Jet Pro, which uses sugar, chocolate, and other materials to create intricate designs and shapes for desserts. By Flow. This Dutch company produces the Focus 3D printer, which uses various ingredients, such as dough, batter, and cheese, to create foods in different shapes and sizes. The potential uses of 3D food printing are vast and varied. As technology advances, we may see more and more innovative benefits of 3D printing in the culinary world, leading to new and exciting flavors and dining experiences. Overall, 3D printed food is a relatively new technology that has generated much interest in the food industry in recent years. While it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about food, whether or not it is the food of the future is still up for debate. Thanks for watching. Another day, another info.